already Nazir, Rajesh. Shall I make organizer to anyone?
I think Nasir is the organizer.
You already made me the organizer.
Yeah, for Nazir I done. What about other folks? Shall we start the class? Already it is 8, right?
Yes.
Who else need to join? Nazir?
I think some lady was there yesterday. I don't know where she is.
And I think Sharif.
Manjula, right?
Right, Manjula. She's not here.
I think Sharif is not here either.
Sharif and Man. I have sent a message. Yeah, maybe by weekend I will complete this one. Actually, weekdays, this is the problem. I need to go office. That's why I'm taking for only 1 hour. Okay. By weekend we will complete this SQL and Unix. Okay. Today we will discuss some more functions and we will complete this functions concept. Okay. And if time is there, we will move into the some other concepts. Okay.
Okay.
Yesterday, up to which functions we practiced actually? Up to greatest we discussed, right? Greatest numbers. And in the string functions, L-trim, R-trim we completed, right? L-pad or R-pad, I didn't save the SQL. Can anyone confirm on this one? Up to which concept we cover? Okay. Let us start from this trim function. Okay. Apart from the yesterday functions, we are having some more functions in the SQL. What are the some more functions, sir? The first one is the trim function. Okay. Trim of. Suppose I am trimming the particular I. Okay. From this one. Okay. Indiani. Okay. As usual, I am using this GL table. Okay. What exactly the thing will happen is it will trim the eye, but which eye it will trim actually? Okay. Let us see. If I am executing this output, it is trimming the eye, which is at the starting as well as which is at the ending, right? Okay. The remaining letters which are there, N, D, I, A, N, that will be remain as same, but it will not touch the I in the middle. Okay. It will touch only the I which is at the starting and which is at the ending. Okay. Suppose for sometimes there may be spaces in front of your name and there may be spaces after your name. Okay. At such a cases, you need to trim the name without. You need to use the name without the spaces, unwanted spaces, and use the correct name, appropriate name. Okay. At such a time, this trim function will be used to remove the previous and the after spaces with your name. Okay. Like this it will be used actually. and then suppose I want to remove only the first I, that is nothing but this is called as leading. Okay, this is called as leading. I want to remove this first I only. I can use like this. Select trim of, okay, leading I from Indiani from GA. Suppose I want to execute, I am executing this statement. What it will display? It will display the string which will remove only the leading I. Okay, that means it is removing only the first I only. It is not removing. It is not going to remove the last I. Okay, if the same statement I want to remove the last I, simply I can keep this one as trailing I. Okay, let us see. See, Indian at the last I it removed. Okay, this is the function, the trim function, which is used to remove the first specified character. The first specified character may be I, or else what are the symbols we are using, or else the special characters such as spaces, we can remove the starting and the last also. Okay, that can be possible by using this leading and the trailing. If you are using directly the trim, it will remove the first and last I. Okay, that is the functionality of this trim function. And then coming to the next function, this is the trim function. Okay, and coming to the next function, the next function is translate. Okay, what exactly this translate will do is, it will translate some old characters to the new characters. Suppose I am using like this. Select translate of India. Okay, in India, I want to translate this in as XY. I want to translate this in as XY. Yeah. What is the error it's thrown? Anyone? By seeing this error message, anyone can expect what is the error?
Is keyword not found where expected.
What is that?
It says keyword not found where expected.
Yeah, which keyword?
I believe XY.
It is showing the from keyword, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that means I need to write from Julia. Okay. Got it? In the place of IN, what it replaces? XY. Okay. And in the place of I, it replaces as X. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. It's similar to this function. We are having another function called as replace. Okay. What is the replace is? Select replace of near. Okay. Comma. Comma. Let us see what will happen. Okay. See, in place of India, I am pinning this output and I will compare these two outputs. Okay. Let us see. The query one result is this one. That means the replace result is this one. Okay. See here, replace result is this one. Okay. And the translate result is this one. Okay. What the difference between the replace and the translate? Did you observe any difference? This is the replace output XYDIA and this is the translate output XYDXA. Okay.
So what is that?
Yeah, it is replace. Yeah, tell me. here it is replacing the in with xy. It is considering this in as the individual characters. Suppose I is there, n is there. Okay, it is considering the xy as the individual characters and in as the individual characters. Wherever I is coming, it is replacing with x, and wherever n is coming, it is replacing with y. Okay, here in is coming, so it is replacing with xy, and again it is coming as I. Okay, and again later it is coming as I. Then it is replacing with x. But in replace, here it is considering the in as the string, not as individual characters. It is considering the in as string. Okay, and it is replacing the xy wherever it is found only the in only. Okay, got it? Here see, in this India, it found the in as starting only in, but later it didn't found the in. It only found the I, but it will not replace the in. Okay, it will not replace the x like that. Okay, it will replace only the xy wherever it founds the in only. Okay, whereas in the this one translate, wherever it finds the individual characters I and n, it will replace that one. Got it? Clear?
I'm not clear. I'm not clear about that.
Who is that?
Naseem.
Nazim, yeah, see.
I'm getting the concept, but I'm not.
You are getting?
I'm getting the concept, but I don't know exactly few results.
Okay. Yeah, India, right? India. Okay. India, instead of in, I want to replace with xy. Okay. But this one is for translate. Okay. What happened? For I it is replacing as x. For n it is replacing as y. Okay. Now tell me what would be the output?
X Y D I A.
X y d
D I A.
y I. See.
Okay.
For instead of y, what it is replacing?
X.
X a. Okay. Now replace. Okay. Replace India. Okay. Instead of in, I am replacing xy. Okay. Now tell me what is the output?
Then will be X Y.
Y. Okay, in xy. Okay. Next D.
D
Here I is there. Whether in is there, I is only there.
I is there.
I is there, but it will not consider I as the individual character. It will consider whenever the in is there, it will replace only xy.
Okay.
Okay. So it will not replace the I. It will displace x and dia.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then the next one is concat. Okay. Okay, let us see. Concatenating is nothing but combining two strings into a single string. Suppose I am giving like this, computer as one string, operator as one string. It is combining the two strings into the single string, and it will show the output in the single column as like this. Computer operator. Okay, it will concat the two strings into the single string. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And at the same time, the concatenation can be done directly as select, okay, some computer, okay, a computer, and I can use this symbol. Okay, concatenate symbol is this one, computer operator. Okay, computer operator, like this from here. Okay, if I am executing this output, I will get the same output, computer operator. This is the concatenation operator. We will call it a concatenator operator. Okay, or else we can use the directly the function concat function. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, and then we are having some other function called as ASCII. Okay, ASCII. What is the ASCII function is? Generally, whenever we are giving some input to the system, okay, it will not accept the input as a directly input to the system. The system can understand only the zeros and ones, right?
Yes.
The system can understand only zeros and ones, binary language. How it is converting into the binary language? Suppose I am giving some value like this. Okay, I am giving a value like this 4, but it will not accept the 4 directly. It will convert this 4 into zeros and ones. How it is converting the 4 into zeros and ones? Suppose I am taking like this. Okay, how much 2's? 2 2's, 4, and it is 0. Okay, and then 2 1's 2. Okay, the output is 0. And suppose I want to represent the 4 in terms of ones and zeros, and what is the last output? 1, and what is the first output? 0. So the output would be 1 0. Okay, and the similar way, suppose I am writing A. Okay, the A is having some ASCII value, some 65 or 75 like this. Okay, this 65 is converted into, okay, this 65 again it is converted into zeros and ones like this. 2, how much 64? Some 2 3 6 and 2 2's 4. Okay, and the remainder is 1. Okay, and then the next output is 2 16's 32, and the remainder is 0. Like this, it is converting each and every time ones and zeros completely. Whatever the output we are giving, it is converting into ones and zeros. At the same way, when we are giving some strings as the input, it will convert into the numbers, and then later it will convert into ones and zeros. These are called as ASCII numbers, ASCII values. American. Okay, these are called as ASCII values. Okay, A equal to some value, capital A equal to some value. Like this, they will have some values. To know what exactly the values of an ASCII character, you can use the function called as select ASCII. Okay, select ASCII of particular string. Suppose a particular character. Okay, suppose I want to know the value of small a. Okay, from GR. Suppose I want to execute this. Obviously, the value is 97. Okay, suppose the same output I want to know the value for the capital A. Okay, this is the 65. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose for this number, what will be the character? Okay, that means from characters we retrieve what is the number. From the numbers, what is the character? Suppose we want to know means, for that we are having another function called as CHR. Okay, how we can use that one is select CHR of some 65. Okay, from dual I am writing. Okay, you see what is the output? A would be the output. Here, how the system is going to convert, I am showing. Okay, simply apple I am writing. Okay, if I am executing this one, what is the output? Some 65 it is coming. It is converting the 65. Okay, that means it is taking only the first character. Okay, ASCII of the first character. Okay, like this, suppose I want to know some 97. Okay, it is showing as a small a. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What is the CHR and what is the ASCII values? These are the CHR and the ASCII values. And then the next two important functions are substring. Okay, let us see what is the substring and what is the instring. First of all, we will discuss the substring function. Suppose I am writing like this: select substr of some particular value computer. Okay, comma 2 from 2. Now see, what is the output? It is retrieving the substring. Substring is nothing but a part of a string. Okay. From where it is retrieving? From second character onwards it is retrieving. Okay. Substring. OMPUTER. This is the second character, right? Okay. It is retrieving from the second character. Suppose I am giving here 3. Okay. What it will retrieve? From third character it will retrieve. From mem like that it will retrieve the third character. Got it? Okay. This is the substring function. Okay. Suppose the same function I can use like this. The same function I can use like this. Some computer is there. From third character to fifth character I want. From third character to fifth character I want. Substr. Okay, see. What is the third character? M. Fourth character P. Okay. U, T, E, R. That means from third character to up to 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is retrieving the 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters it is retrieving. That means from third position to 5 characters of substring it is retrieving. That is the substr. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. There are 6 characters are there after 3. See here. This is the third position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters are there and 6 characters are there here. Suppose I am giving here some 7. It will not retrieve the remaining characters. It will retrieve up to the ending of the character. Okay. Suppose I am giving some 8 or 9. It will not retrieve the remaining characters. It will retrieve up to the last character. That's it. Computer. Later on, it will not retrieve anything. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the substring function. Okay. And then we are having another function called as instr. Okay. That is nothing but in-string function. Here we retrieve the substring completely. Here what it will retrieve is the position of the substring. Where exactly the position of the substring, it will retrieve that one. Okay. Let us see the examples for this. Select instr of, okay, some information. Okay. That means I am taking the delimiter as 4. Okay. Delimiter means some symbol I need to consider, that I am taking as 4. Okay. Let us see what will be the output. Okay. Where is the O exactly? Here. Okay. Here the O is, and the first occurrence I am asking to check from the 4th position and to check the first occurrence. That means wherever O is there, here the O is there. Okay. From 4th position onwards, you check that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th position onwards I am checking and retrieve the first occurrence position. Where exactly the first position? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If I am executing this one, I will get the output as 4. Okay. Suppose I am executing the same statement for the position 2. Here from 4th position onwards it is starting. Okay. And where exactly the second O? Here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th position it is there, right? Second O.
Yeah.
Guys, are you listening? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. See here. When we are considering the O, okay, from 4th position onwards, if we are starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 plus 3, 10. Okay. The 10th position it will retrieve. Let us see. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. From 4th position onwards, we are starting the second occurrence. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th position we are having the second O. It is retrieving the second O. Got it?
Yes.
That is the in-string. The substring retrieves the substring and the in-string retrieves the, by considering the delimiter or else the substring, it will retrieve the position of the particular substring. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. And I told that the greatest function in the numerical functions. Okay, similarly the greatest function will also be there in the string function. Why? Because I already told that there will be some ASCII codes for the strings. Okay, we can check the greatest among these characters also. Okay, greatest of A comma B comma C. Like this, suppose I am checking. Okay, from GN. A will have some code, B will have some code, and C will have some code, right? Now, in this among these codes, which one is the greatest code? If I am executing that one, means it will retrieve C. Why? Because suppose when I am retrieving select of ASCII of A, comma B, comma C, GL. Okay, it is not taking multiple inputs. See, ASCII value of A is 97. Okay, ASCII value of B is 98, and ASCII value of C is 99. Okay, now which one is greater than? C is greatest one. To check which one is the greatest among the individual characters, we can check greatest of individual characters. Okay, individual characters from GL. Okay, at the similar way, we are having some least function also. If you check the strings. Okay, the same statement we can execute like this. Which one is the least now?
A is the least.
A, right? Okay,
Yeah.
we will get the value of A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
These are all the different types of string functions. Okay, and we are having some other functions. As I told, there will be some other functions called as date functions. Okay, what exactly is this date function, and what are the different types of date functions are? Suppose I am checking like this. Select this date from GL. That means whatever the system date it is presenting, some 24/2016, it will retrieve the date and it will display the as the output 20th April 2016. Select sysdate. Sysdate is nothing but the keyword which is used to retrieve the system date. Okay, got it? Which is used to retrieve the system date. Or else we can use the same one with another keyword called as select current date from current date from same the current date. Okay, what is the date? It will retrieve the current date. Okay, and we can retrieve the date and the time. Okay, like this. Current underscore timestamp from GL. Okay, this is the date. The first one is the 20th April 2016 is the date, and this one is the time. Okay, and this one is in the time also. See, hours, minutes, seconds. There will be microseconds also. Okay, there will be microseconds also, and then AM or PM, and which time it is following. America, Los Angeles time it is following. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the timestamp. Okay, suppose if you want to follow the system timestamp, select okay SYS TIME stamp, this timestamp. Okay, from GL. Such a way it will retrieve the current system timestamp. Okay, that is the current system timestamp. See, now it is 8:38:53 for 456 microseconds AM. It is not following this American time now. It is just following this Indian time. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. The format is nothing but DD, and the next one is the month, the first one is the date, and the next one is the month, and the next one is the year. Okay, and this one is the hours, minutes, seconds, microseconds. This one is AM or PM, and this belongs to some whatever the time. Suppose it is following some Indian time, it will show some code, or else it is following some American time, it will show some code, like that. Okay.
For GMT.
Okay, and some other functions are there in this date functions only. How to convert it? Okay, suppose I am converting to characters, to underscore char, the function which is used to convert. Type conversion I told, right? Okay, this type conversion I am converting to characters. The sys date which I am converting the sys date to DD, month, year. Like this I am converting to characters. Let us see what will be the output if I am executing the same. Okay, previously, remember this one. The date is previously like this. Now, okay, what it shown? 20th April 2016. Okay, previously it was in numbers. Now, how it is converted? It is converted into some character. Okay, some strings it is converted. That is the use of this to underscore char function. Okay, and suppose the same thing if I am going to implement, select to underscore char of, okay, this date, comma, DD, F I am using the another character, okay, F I am using, okay, month, here in the output it will show in this output it will show the same one, but what the thing is, here we are formatting this one as we are concatenating this April and the 20 at the similar way we are converting the small case characters into uppercase characters. In the output you can see all the output as the capital letters only, but what exactly the thing it will do is it will convert the small case letters to the uppercase letters. That is nothing but the F output function. Okay, F character that is used to convert the small case letters of the date to the uppercase characters. Okay, and at the same time select to underscore char of this date, comma, period. Okay, I am writing as DDL. That means DD means what is the thing here? Only the date. Okay, DDL. Okay, from only the date along with th will represent here. Only the date along with th it will represent here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you listening? Everyone in mute. I am not understanding whether you are getting this one or not.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Manjula, when did you join? From starting onwards you are there? Nazir, are you getting this one?
Yes.
Up to now? Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let us see from the starting functions. what we discussed up to now. The translate, okay, the translate will consider the characters as the individual characters, whereas the replace will consider the replaced characters as the string, complete string. Okay, here in the India, wherever the I is there, it will replace with X. Wherever N is there, it will replace with Y. Okay, but in the replace, wherever the complete IN set is there, only it will replace with XN. Okay, that is the concept here. Okay, and then concat. What is the concat is used for? The concat is used for concatenating for two strings into a single string. That can be possible by using concatenating operator also. That is nothing but two slashes. Okay, computer operator that we can concatenate. And each and every character will have some unique, some numerical values that are called as ASCII values. Okay, for small case characters there will be having some special set of values, as well as from capital case letters there will be have some special case values. Okay, to retrieve those values, we are having some function called as ASCII. Okay, ASCII of some particular character will retrieve the output of the particular function. Okay, the 97 is the ASCII code for the A, and the 65 is the ASCII value for the capital A. This will vary from small case letters to the uppercase letters. Okay, and then CHR. Suppose if you want to convert the number into the character, then we can give the CHR function as number. Okay, and then it will retrieve the number as the character. Okay, and then the next function is substr. Substr is nothing but it will retrieve the substring. That means a part of a string. Here in the computer we given the value 3. That means from third character onwards retrieve the output. That is nothing but MPUTER. MPUTER. Okay, and whereas here computer comma 3 comma 5. That means from third character onwards, that is from M, okay, up to 50 characters. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 50 characters. Retrieve the output. Okay, it will retrieve the output up to E. Okay, and later on, suppose there are some 5 characters after this one, or 6 characters after this one, and we are giving some 8. It will retrieve only up to the ending of the character. Okay, that is nothing but MPUTER. Okay, and coming to this INSTR function. Okay, INSTR function is nothing but this in-string function will retrieve the position of a particular substring according to the delimiter we specified. Okay, this is the delimiter we specified, O. That means where is the O? Here. And we are asking to start from the position 4. Okay, that means we are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4th position, retrieve the occurrence of the first occurrence of the I. That means it will retrieve the first occurrence where exactly it is. It is retrieved as 4 only. Why? Because the O is also at the 4th position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th position onwards, the first occurrence of O is at 4 only. Suppose from 4th position onwards, if I am retrieving the O of the second occurrence, okay, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 10th position, the second occurrence is there. So I can retrieve the second position as of I as like this. Okay, then it will be at 10. And at the similar way, comparing the different numbers, okay, we can compare the different types of strings also. Okay, how we can compare? Like this. Okay, see here, greatest of A comma B comma C. Obviously the output is C. Why? Because the ASCII value for C is more than the remaining values. So it will retrieve the C. And the ASCII value of A is less than remaining values. So A. Got it? The greatest and least functions can also be found like that. Okay. And coming to the different types of date functions, I told some of the date functions. And when you are digging into the latest versions, there will be so many date functions, so many string functions that are newly implemented. But mostly what we will use is these other things. Okay. Select sysdate. What is the current system date is there? That it will retrieve the system date. Okay. And what is the current date is there? According to this will show the same output, system date or current date. And current timestamp, it will retrieve according to the standard time, that will be as American Los Angeles. Okay. And system timestamp, whatever the system is following, some Indian time is like that, it will retrieve the system output. And how it is retrieved as? By using some hours, minutes, seconds, and microseconds. This you need to remember carefully, microseconds. When you are using some date functions in the data stage, later on concept, you will have to identify the which is the microseconds. Okay, clearly identify this. This is the microseconds. Okay, and at the same time, suppose I want to represent the date. This is the type conversion function. I want to represent the date in terms of characters. I can represent the date in terms of characters like this: April 20th, April 2016. Got it?
Yes,
And
sir.
I want to retrieve only the date in the characters. Okay, I can retrieve the date only in the characters like this. Got it? At the
Yes.
similar way, when we are comparing the numbers and the strings, we can compare the greatest date also like this. Okay, or we can compare means select greatest of select sorry select greatest of 2 underscore date. Okay, some date I'm giving 11 Jan. Whatever the format you can give, you can give. Okay, 11 Jan 1990. But the format should be converted like this. Okay, you can tell the system the format should be like this: date, month. Okay, and the date should consider like this: date, month. That means two characters of the date, right? Two letters or two numbers. DD. Month, how many characters you need to give? MON. That is JAN. And year you need to give 4 characters. That means you need to represent 4 bytes here. Okay, that means, and after this one you need to close the brace and comma. Okay, I am copying the same thing. To put some other date, 11th March. Okay, and again I am writing some other date here to represent some other month, that is April. Okay, April. Now, G. If I am executing this statement, which is the greatest date, largest date? 11th April, 90 is the largest date, right? See, when comparing to this 11th Jan, 11th March, and 11th April, which one is the largest? 11th April is the largest.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose I want to find which one is the least date. Which one is the least date? Okay. I can find the least date as like this. Least date. Okay, least underscore 2 underscore date is nothing but whatever the value you are giving, convert that one into date. That you are specifying as 2 underscore date. Okay, 2 underscore char means whatever you are specifying the date, convert into character. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what will be the output? Least date?
Will be the January whatever.
Yeah, 11th Jan 1990.
1990.
See, 11th Jan 1990 is the output. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now see. Suppose here this much of long column name is there, right? Suppose I want to retrieve only the column name as the least. That's it. What I need to do?
I'm sorry, will you repeat the question, please?
Here the column name is C. How much length it is,
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I want to retrieve the column name as only least. That's it. What I need to do? Yesterday someone asked me the doubt also. Simply I can write least. Okay. If now I am executing this same thing, I will retrieve only the least. I will not retrieve the longest column name. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Same thing if I want to retrieve as greatest state, okay, simply I can write as great or else big state, okay. Like, okay, got it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. And these are the different types of functions. And tomorrow we will enter into the new concept called as miscellaneous functions. What are the miscellaneous functions? These are also called as windowing functions. Rank, dense rank, row num. These are all the very important functions that we need to use along with some grouping functions. Those are called as group by, sum, average. Like this, there are some grouping functions. Okay. We will discuss the concepts of group by functions, and if possible, we will complete the joins also in the tomorrow classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay then, guys. I need to start to other work. Then I'm closing the class for today's session. Okay.
All right, thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Any doubts are there?
I'm sorry, sir.
Any doubts are there, guys? At least now unmute yourself.
Oh, no, no.
For asking doubts. At least to say no, just unmute.
All good.
Yeah. Clear, right?
Yeah, so far.
Okay. Okay then, guys. Bye.
But
Thank you, sir.
thank you.